Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1997 Chevrolet Tahoe. The battery is easier to remove, as the battery bracket that secures the battery is itself easy to remove. Other models make the bracket removal much more complicated. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy, as the fluid dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The brake fluid reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Removing the engine air filter can be a problem, as you will need to use a few tools in order to replace. Other models make this access much easier. The headlight bulb can be tough to access, as you will need to completely remove the housing for access. The bolts that secure the housing can grow rusted and be tough to remove. You will have to lower the spare tire from under the vehicle in order to access it. This can be tough, as the lowering mechanism can grow rusted to the vehicle due to being exposed to the elements over time. Overall, the 1997 Chevrolet Tahoe is a moderately easy truck to maintain, with a few difficult procedures that shouldn't be too hard for the average truck owner.